Rain gauge is a type of instrument used by meteorologists and hydrologists to gather and measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a set of time. It is important in identifying potential conditions for flooding and identifying weather patterns. The material I used for the rain gauge are colored water, plastic bottle, tape measure, tape, and funnel. This will be the rain gauge that I've made look like. Because the base of the plastic bottle is not flat, I used the colored water to create a base for the measuring the rainfall. There was a heavy rainfall occurred in our area, so I put my rain gauge outside and start recording. After 10 minutes, the results showed that 3.5 cm are accumulated rainwater by my rain gauge. For the infiltration, I used a 2-inch diameter and a 4-inch in length PVC pipe. Next step is to mark the PVC at its 2-inch. Next step is to find an area where there are no cracks. And next is I push the PVC pipe into the ground using a hammer up until the mark is level in the ground. And then, using a cup, I poured water into the PVC up until to its top. Using a stopwatch, I measure the time until the water will reach the ground level or the water will infiltrate the soil. In my activity, I recorded that the time that it takes for the water to infiltrate the soil is 1.09 minutes. The factors that affect the infiltration rate are the texture of the soil and the presence of the groundwater table in the area chosen. There are many ways we can notice every day that are part of or contains the whole process of evaporation. When we say evaporation, the first thing that comes on our mind is the steam or vapor. In this activity, I use the process of cooking rice to explain evaporation process. When cooking rice, we put water and rice in the rice cooker, and then we apply heat and continuously heated the rice cooker until the water will boil. Some of the water will be absorbed by the rice and some of it will escape into the air in the form of a water vapor or the gaseous state of the water, and that explains the evaporation. The liquid becomes a gas known as vapor.